All right, let's get right into it. If you run any kind of club, group, or organization, you know that getting new members, well, that's only half the battle. The real challenge, and honestly the secret to long-term success, is keeping them engaged. So today, we're going to break down a proven system to turn those fresh signups into your most passionate, lifelong ambassadors.
And let's start right here, because this quote just hits the nail on the head. It gets to the very heart of why we're talking about this. See, an engaged community is a living, breathing thing. A mailing list, that's just a passive collection of names. The difference between those two things is, well, it's everything.
So here's our game plan for the next few minutes. We've got a clear 5-part plan. First, we'll diagnose the problem, then we'll introduce a powerful new way to think about it. After that, I'll give you some specific tools, show you how to measure if they're working, and then wrap it all up with an action plan you can start using today.
First up, let's talk about something I call the engagement cliff. It's a problem that, trust me, pretty much every organization faces. It's that initial burst of excitement from a new member that's followed by a sudden, steep drop-off into, well, silence. Does that sound familiar? I bet it does. We've all seen it happen. A new person joins, they're super enthusiastic, they get the standard welcome email, maybe they come to one meeting, and then poof, they just vanish. The key thing to realize here is that this isn't their fault. It's a failure of the system you've put in place. So, okay, how do we fix that broken system? The solution is to completely change how you think about your members. Stop seeing them as one big single group and start thinking about their journey. And that brings us to this really powerful framework, the engagement funnel. Instead of that one big bucket, I want you to picture your members moving through 4 distinct levels. They start out as just aware. Then, hopefully, they become active. From there, they join the core group, and finally, a few become true ambassadors. Your job is to build pathways that intentionally guide them from one stage to the next. And this really breaks down that journey, doesn't it? An aware member is just dipping their toe in the water. An active member is a regular, you know their name. A core member, they feel a sense of ownership. And an ambassador, man, they are out there singing your praises and bringing new people in. Each level needs something different from you. So that's the what, that's the framework. But the real question is how? How do we actually move people through that funnel? Well, it's not magic. It's about using the right tools at the right time. So let's build your starter toolkit with a few really high-impact tactics. Okay, let's kick things off with onboarding. And a number that should really make you sit up and pay attention. 60%. That is a huge number. But what's it all about? This right here is fascinating. It's the sheer power of a simple human conversation. A 10-minute welcome call, not an email, a call, within the first day or 2 of someone joining is a game changer. It shows you genuinely care. It's personal, it's direct, and it builds a connection that a dozen automated emails just never, ever could. All right, so you've made that awesome first connection. How do you keep that momentum going? Well, check out this next multiplier, 5 times. And here's the secret. Engagement builds on itself. Don't always ask for these huge, scary commitments. Start small. Ask for a micro contribution. Maybe it's voting in a poll, suggesting a topic, or sharing a link. It lowers the barrier to entry so much. And once someone contributes in that small way, they are 5 times more likely to step up for something bigger down the road. Lastly, if you want to build a real community, you have to stop thinking like a broadcaster and start acting like a network connector. A simple peer-to-peer mentorship program is perfect for this. Just match an experienced member with a new one for 30 days. It can forge bonds that last for years and make your organization feel like a real home. Okay, so you've got the tools. Now we need to talk about using them smartly. Because a great strategy is only as good as the data you use to guide it. So let's look at how to measure what actually matters and steer clear of some really common traps. There are 2 big mistakes that can sink all of your hard work. First, thinking that email is an engagement strategy. It's not. It's a logistics tool. Second, treating everybody the same. An aware member just needs a gentle invitation, but a core member might be ready for a leadership challenge. You have to personalize your approach. You know the old saying, what gets measured gets managed. And it is so true here. You can't improve what you don't measure. So I want you to focus on these 3 things. What's your attendance rate? Are people actually sticking around and renewing? And, this is a big one, how quickly are new members taking that first step to get involved? You want them active in under 30 days. Okay, I know this can all feel like a lot. So, how do you actually get started? You don't do it all at once. You start with a focused 30-day sprint.
Here is a simple 4-week plan to build momentum right away. Week 1, pair people up. Week 2, just start a simple conversation online or at a meeting. Week 3, publicly thank someone for their contribution. And week 4, look at your numbers and personally reach out to anyone who might be drifting away. Simple, right?
And please, if you remember one thing from all of this, let it be this. The goal isn't a short-term flashy campaign. The goal is to build a sustainable system. Consistency beats perfection every single time. A simple system that you actually do will always outperform a complicated plan that you never get around to. So I'll leave you with this question. You have the framework, you have the tools. Now it's about taking action. Look at your organization and ask yourself, what is the one system, the one small change that you will commit to building this month to start turning your new joins into lifelong ambassadors?